Over the past few months, I've been fortunate enough to experience some of the breathtaking views and trails that nature has to offer. From the lush green forests to the majestic mountains, each hike has been a unique and unforgettable journey. One of the highlights of my hikes was reaching the top of the Drakensburg mountains. The feeling of accomplishment and the panoramic views of the Tugela Falls were absolutely incredible. I was constantly amazed by the variety of flora and fauna that I encountered along the way. The mountains were home to a diverse array of plants and animals, including many species that I've never seen before. I also had an opportunity to explore some of the lesser known trails where I encountered some of the most serene and peaceful settings that I've ever been in. With each step I took, it felt like breaking free from the constraints of my daily routine and embracing the unknown. But the sense of solitude and peace in the mountains was the most beautiful experience of the journey. As I walked along the trails, I was able to escape from the noise and distractions of the outside world and truly connect with nature. In the end, I had a genuinely wonderful trekking trip in the Drakensburg mountains. I can't wait to return and explore more of this beautiful corner of the world. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. I hope you enjoyed the video and it inspires you to explore the great outdoors and discover the beauty of nature for yourself.